welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy and here with Tyler, my boyfriend, and we're getting ready to go on a bike ride and then get some breakfast in town. As you probably saw in my last vlog, I went on a bike ride too, and I went on the same trail. It's the Animas River Trail. It follows the Animas River in Durango, and it's about a 7-mile trail. It has a few pretty large hills that are a struggle for me, but it's actually a pretty easy trail for the most part, but it's nice because there's access to it from near my house, so it's easy to get to, and then it goes like straight into the middle of town, so it's a nice way to get some exercise while also if you needed to go into town and do anything. You want to tell us what you got?
Here we have a jungle burrito loaded with green chilies, some eggs, probably some more potatoes because you can't get enough carbs when you're biking. And it looks delicious and I'm hungry.
And then I got pancakes, some strawberries and bananas, some eggs, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna dig in. And then Tyler and I just got back from our bike ride. Oh man, I look like a lobster. I just realized I didn't actually say where we got breakfast. We went to this local breakfast lunch spot called the Lone Spur Cafe. It's pretty good. Probably one of my favorite places to go for breakfast. So if you're ever in Durango, highly recommend. Okay, so it is a new day and I was gonna go for a bike ride today, but I decided that Lila needed a walk instead. So we're gonna go for maybe a 30-minute walk. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Lila and I are back from our walk. I think we walked about 2.5 miles, took us about 45 minutes. Oh, she just loved being out there. It's one of her favorite places that just to watch all the things, smell all the smells, you know, dog things. I'm going to make some lunch because I'm pretty hungry before I work out. I think I'm gonna make a tuna sandwich and then wait a little bit before I do my workout, and yeah. Get into this leg workout. I think today I'm gonna do a quad focus workout. It's typically one of the first workouts I do during the week. Real quick, I want to note that I did in fact get something different than this bench that I'm on for these step ups that will be a lot better and a lot more stable, because this bench is great for everything but that one thing, this one exercise. So I just want to note that, because if I keep doing these on this bench, it's not going to last very long. Go ahead and end this vlog here. I just want you to know that I appreciate it if you've stuck around this long and you've made it all the way to the end of this video. It really means a lot, especially since this is only my second YouTube video, and I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe if you're liking my content so far, and then comment down below if there's anything specific that maybe you want to see, or if there's any suggestions on how maybe I can make my videos even better. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.